Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn German short videos. In this video, you'll be learning the difference between kaufen and einkaufen. Let's look at the first verb. Kaufen means to buy. You use the verb kaufen when you're talking about something that you're buying. For example, ich kaufe einen Kaffee. There will always be an accusative object in the sentence. In this case, einen Kaffee. Kaufen can also be used as a reflexive verb. Sich etwas kaufen. For example, Maria hat sich ein Haus gekauft. With the verb kaufen, you should always mention what you're buying. Otherwise, the sentence will not make any sense. The verb einkaufen is used when you're talking about shopping for something. You might or might not mention what you're buying. For example, gestern habe ich im Supermarkt eingekauft. You can actually buy a lot of things at a supermarket, but when you're talking about something particular, then you will say, gestern habe ich im Supermarkt ein Brot gekauft. Do remember that einkaufen is a trennbares verb. You can also use einkaufen with the verb gehen. You will say, ich gehe heute Abend einkaufen. Now let's do an exercise to see what we have learned. Übung. You have to fill in the blank with einkaufen oder kaufen. Do remember, with kaufen, you have to always mention what you are buying. The verb einkaufen is used for various things. So here's the first one. And the answer is, ich muss heute Abend bei Rewe einkaufen. Rewe is the name of a supermarket chain in Germany. Here's the next one. And the answer is, nächste Woche kaufe ich mir ein neues Handy. If you want to practice more, you can download a free worksheet from patreon.com. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share this video. Do subscribe to the channel for more videos. Tschüss! Auf Wiedersehen!